Hi everyone, I'm Chad Shoup, and today I want to talk about the stock market sell-off that we saw yesterday, and I'm going to give you my number one strategy that you can use to implement during times like this. But first, I just want to make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, that you scroll below, click subscribe so that way you don't miss out on any of my new videos. Now, when we look at the stock market sell-off yesterday, we know it all stemmed over the news over the weekend about President Trump not being happy with trade talks going along with China, that they're taking too long, they're going along too slow, and then China responded with a threat of their own that they were going to withdraw from the trade talks altogether. So this was major news to investors who, for the most part, all through this year, have assumed that these trade talks were going along as planned and that everything was going along very smooth, and we are near coming to a big trade deal with China. Now, I still think that's going to be the case. I think they're just ramping up the rhetoric as they narrow down some of their negotiation tactics, and the stock market's going to play whipsaw with that. They're going to go back and forth based on the good and negative headlines that come out. But in the end, I think that it's going to get resolved, and that's going to be a major market rally. It's going to lead to a good bounce back in the stock market. So I don't see there being too much downside from here. And when I see these opportunities where we have a big sell-off and the downside's likely limited from this point, there's one go-to opportunity that I like to implement during these situations, and that's selling put options. And today I have a great opportunity for selling put options on Intel, the semiconductor stock that has chips in all types of personal computers that are likely in your home today. So this is a great blue chip company that you can use this weakness that we are seeing right now on to possibly buy the stock at a 10% discount. In agreeing to possibly buying the stock, you get paid in doing so, and that's what I love about put options, is that they create this win-win scenario whenever you sell to open a put option. Now, if you haven't tried that before, I encourage you to give it a shot. Just try it at least one time. Sell to open a put option on just at least one stock and see how it goes, see how easy it is to do, see how worry-free it is. And then from there, you can see if you want to implement more of these put options down the road. Now, if you want to learn more about the trade today that you can implement on Intel today, then be sure to click the link below this video to learn more about it. And in my premium service, Pure Income, we use selling put options on a weekly basis to generate consistent income. So if you want to learn more about that strategy and how we use put options to generate income on a consistent weekly basis, be sure to click the link below this video to learn more. Well, that's all for my video today. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, I'm Chad Shoup.